Welcome to my place. This is the Cindy Mae, my little live-aboard fishing boat. Today we're going to be fishing for some catfish and bluegill. We're going to sit back a spell and see if we can't catch us a few. Fish on. Twisty little booger. Oh, heavy. Look at that. Mr. Shellcracker. He's got the spins. Let's see here. Alright. Took that hook pretty deep, didn't you? I see it though. What's the magic word? You say contact? Oh, no. Oh. I straightened out the hook a little bit. Well, he knew the magic word. He said, contact. Today I'm fishing with some hamburger buns and some leftover fried chicken that I got in a bag. If it'll stay on the hook, it's good bait. They really like the fried chicken. Oh, I got a bite. You get a bite, you point at it and you go, ha ha, set the hook. Oh, I got you. I'm fishing through a little hole in the pier here between the fender and the main pier. Oh, well, he's a puller. Wonder if that's a catfish. It's a bluegill. It's a big one, I'll tell you. Let's have a look. Well, he's running line. Big white cat. Well, I wouldn't say it's big, but it's bigger than the brim, right? These things look like a flathead. Golly, they're ugly. Let's bring him up here. Yeah, white bullhead. Whoa. Try to break my rod. I'm back here. Alright. Hold still while I get the hook removal tool. This is they call a white bullhead as far as I know. Hold still. Hold still. What's the magic word? It's contact. Okay, so once again, I'm just using breadcrumbs. This is a bag that they came in. Actually, they're fried chicken breadcrumbs. It was a banquet fried chicken, bacon in the oven dealy. That's what's left over. You got some crumbs and save some bits and pieces of the chicken. I just use little pieces of it. Stuff that's tough and chewy. If it'll stay on the hook, it's good bait. And I'm fishing in under the Navy pier through this little hole in the fender here in the pipe. And you gotta go where they are, right? At least where it's convenient to sit there and catch them. In my little seat. Comfy seat. Alright, welcome to the back porch fishing show. Just set it there and I wait for it to do something funny. If it does something funny, you point at it like Nelson and you go, ha ha. And you set the hook, right? There we go. Ha 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 ha. Something little bitty. Oh, it's a itty bitty catfish. Oh, little cute channel cat. Look at that. It's got his spots. Got sea lice too. Yuck. All over him. Look at that. See the sea lice on his chinny chin. Pretty gross. Got one there on his whisker. Ha ha. Gotcha. It seemed very big. It's so small, whatever it is. Baby bluegill. Sunfish. Puny woony. But, be good bait. Nice colors. He ate both of those hooks, people. Look at that. He ate both of them. What a greedy fish. Look, see that? I pulled out one. And he's still hanging. Alright. What's the magic word? What's that? Your mouth's full. Contact! Oh, still. Contact! Contact!
What do you mean that's a dumbass video? I don't see your ass up and doing any tricks. Hey, I'm just clapping because it's over.